Welcome to Topper. In recent weeks, speculation about President Donald Trump's health has circulated following public appearances where he appeared with swollen ankles and bruisings on his right hand. The White House addressed these concerns, stating that the president had been diagnosed with chronic venous insufficiency, a common and benign conditions, especially in individuals over the age of 70. Additionally, the bruising on his hand was attributed to frequent handshakes during public events. Despite these health concerns, President Trump has remained active in his duties and has not shown signs of serious illness. In fact, he recently suggested that Vice President J.D. Vance is most likely his heir apparent for the 2028 Republican presidential nomination. This marks the strongest endorsement Trump has given Vance as a future candidate. Trump also mentioned Secretary of State Marco Rubio as a potential ally for Vance in a future political ticket, highlighting the duo's strong diplomatic roles. Vice President Vance, a former Marine, has taken on significant roles in the administration, serving as a key diplomat and advocate for Trump's policies. He has been actively involved in both domestic and foreign policy, including efforts related to redistricting and international diplomacy. His recent trip to London underscores his growing prominence on the global stage. While Trump has not officially endorsed a successor, his comments suggest that Vice President Vance is the front-runner to carry forward that the Make America Great Again platform. This has led to increased speculation about the 2028 presidential race and the future of direction of the Republican Party. As the 2028 re-election approaches, all eyes will be on Vice President Vance and other potential candidates as they navigate the evolving political landscape. Thanks for watching, Toppers. If you found this update informative, make sure to like, share and subscribe for the latest coverage of events shaping the Middle East and globally.